12 of the best natural remedies for sore throats. Most people suffer with a sore throat at least once or twice during the year. This is usually caused by viral infections which cannot be treated with antibiotics. You may also experience a hoarse voice, mild cough, headaches, pain when swallowing, tightness in the throat, and swollen glands. The body's immune system can fight this off within 1 to 2 weeks. However, it can be very painful and bothersome when trying to sleep at night. In today's video, we will share with you 12 of the best natural remedies for sore throats. These are very effective for soothing the throat and speeding up the healing process. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is by far one of the best natural remedies for healing a sore throat. You can make this by gently stewing boned chicken or beef. Bone marrow is released into the water, which supplies important amino acids and collagen. Drinking this broth strengthens the immune system so that your body can heal faster. 2. Sage. This is one of the most powerful healing herbs which was used by the ancient Greeks for throat infections. Sage contains rosmarinic acid which strengthens the lungs and boosts oxygen levels in the blood. You can steep this into hot water to make sage tea or simply add it to your bone broth. 3. Salt water. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt in 1 cup of boiled water. Allow this to cool until lukewarm and then gargle for 1 to 2 minutes, without swallowing the mixture. This saline solution lowers inflammation in the throat and tonsils. It balances the pH level of the mouth, reduces phlegm, and kills off harmful bacteria. 4. Ginger and lemon. Add 2 cups of mineral water to a saucepan and bring to the boil. Add 1 inch of freshly grated ginger root and gently simmer for 15 minutes. Remove from the heat and add the juice of 2 whole fresh lemons and drink. This is an immune boosting tonic which stimulates faster healing within the throat tissues. It contains gingerol, zingiberine, vitamin C, and other antioxidants for rapid healing. 5. Green tea popsicle. Some people prefer using something ice cold to soothe the throat. However, we advise against consuming ice cream or sugary popsicles. Sugar and cream can irritate the lining of the throat. Instead, make your own matcha green tea popsicles in silicone molds. These can be quite soothing as green tea has anti-inflammatory properties. 6. Acupressure. With your fingers, simply point to the part of the throat that feels sore and then trace your fingers around to the back of the neck. Gently press inward with your fingers around this area until you find the most tender point. Focus your efforts here by pressing in gently for 2 to 3 minutes. This stimulates the nerves in the neck and unlocks muscles connected to the throat, effectively relieving nerve tension and pain in the throat. This is commonly used by singers. 7. Apple cider vinegar. At the first sign of a cold or infection, begin immediately to use apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon mixed in a glass of water will help to acidify the body. This speeds up immune cells called phagocytes, helping white blood cells to take action against viruses and bacteria quickly. 8. Vitamin D3. Many people get a recurring cold, infection, or sore throat every year during winter. If this is the case, then you likely have a vitamin D deficiency. The body uses sunshine on the skin to make vitamin D naturally. Start taking a supplement of vitamin D3. This is a natural form of the vitamin which is taken from lanolin, the waxy substance found on sheep's wool. 9. Garlic. Garlic is one of nature's most powerful natural medicines and can rapidly speed up healing in the throat, reducing redness, hoarse voice, and phlegm. 3 cloves per day is recommended, eaten raw or added to your bone broth stew. 10. Pumpkin seeds. We highly recommend snacking on some fresh pumpkin seeds when you have a sore throat. These are rich in zinc, a vital micronutrient which helps in each phase of the healing process. Zinc repairs the cellular membranes, reduces inflammation, and replaces damaged tissues from the infection. 11. Intermittent fasting. If you have very little appetite, you can perform intermittent fasting. When you stop eating for 18 hours or more, your body triggers a process called autophagy. This is where viruses and bacteria are scavenged and removed at the cellular and molecular level. 12. Vitamin C. Last but by no means least, consuming leafy greens rich in vitamin C will stimulate your immune system in healing a sore throat and preventing the infection from spreading through the respiratory system. Kale, cabbage, bell peppers, broccoli, sauerkraut, and all leafy greens are the best sources. Avoid vitamin C supplements with ascorbic acid as these do not work. As you can see, there are many remedies that you can use to quickly heal a sore throat. Try a combination of these to ease your suffering and help you to get a good night's sleep. Gargle with the warm salt water as often as you wish to soothe the throat while it is healing, or consume the green tea popsicle. Be sure to avoid medicated throat lozenges, boiled sweets and sugar altogether. They may offer temporary relief but will irritate the lining of the throat, making it worse in the long run. Stay hydrated with some good quality mineral water, ideally from a volcanic source. The trace minerals in this improve organ function and keep your electrolytes in balance. If you have a lot of phlegm and mucus, taking hot showers often or inhaling steam will help to loosen it and provide some relief. To learn more about natural remedies and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening, a like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.